Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to review today's trade setup that we took inside the Discord. Today is 3/3/2025. And today we took a clean short trade off of a really nice liquidity sweep at the open. A couple inverted fair value gaps, really nice displacement. So I'm just going to break it down and show you guys what I was looking for. So market came up, swept buy side liquidity, 1 hour liquidity sweep here. Actually was previous, I believe Thursday high that we ended up taking. So this Thursday high gets swept very nicely. Okay. Jump back down onto the 1 minute time frame here. And you can see that we get a very nice sweep of the relative equal highs, sweep of the Thursday high from previous week. Nice inverted fair value gap. Didn't take that gap yet. Okay. What I was waiting for to see if we were actually going to displace below this 1 hour fair value gap here. So we waited, let price kind of chop out in the beginning. Really nice displacement. Okay. And at this point, I'm starting to really like the draw at London low. So London low down into here, Asia low all the way down here as well. So now I'm starting to formulate a game plan, and price is showing me that I want to look to take a short here. Okay, so really nice sweep, displacement lower, and then I'll show you exactly how we executed this model. At this point, I'm waiting for a pullback into this fair value gap here. Okay, this is a 1 minute FEG, also overlapping with a 5 minute FEG. So I'm looking for price to rebalance here. And the idea is on the way up into the gap, does price leave behind a bullish fair value gap that I can potentially short if it inverts? Yes, it does, right? So here's a 1 minute gap here. Okay. Couple different ways you could have traded this today. Couple different ways. And I'm going to show you what we did and how you could have traded it. Short option number one would have been here. You could have taken like a turtle soup entry into London lows. Stops would have been above this 1 minute FEG. That would have worked. Okay, that's option number one. Option number two would have been waiting for this 1 minute fair value gap to flip to an inverted fair value gap. Okay, price rips through that. So there's really no entry model there. Even on the 30 seconds I checked, there really wasn't much to get in on that flush. Okay, now the third option is the one that we took. Is we were looking for this 1 minute FEG to then get pulled back into candle closure below CE of the gap and then take a short. Stop is going to be above the inversion. London low was the target. Okay. So that's what we executed on. So in these situations, when price is super clear that it wants to draw to a liquidity pool, like in this example, we sweep liquidity at the highs, displace aggressively at the open for the first 15 minutes, and now we're teasing London low and Asia low. That's my draw on liquidity, okay? So market pulls back into the gap, execute a short trade, stops like this, sell one here, stop loss above that inversion. I'm going to give the price a little bit of room here because we did invert this gap here. Okay, so I like stops being above that inversion. And TP is going to be down at London low, possibly extended TP at Asia. I did get out at London low on this trade. That's all we needed to have a very good day. And that was the model that we executed today. Clear draw on liquidity, very nice displacement, inverted fair value gap model, retest of a bearish FEG, price displacing towards our London low. London low's resting here. Asia low's resting here. Boom. And we're done for the day. So this example, we pretty much can bring everything together here where we take buy side liquidity at the highs. Relative equal highs get swept. Previous week Thursday high gets taken. Strong displacement. First presented inverted fair value gap is up here. Okay. This could work, but it's not enough confirmation for me. Once we really started displacing below the 1 hour gap and then continuing to displace, that was confirmation me for to take that short trade into London low and then Asia low being an extended target. I know some people in the Discord took it to Asia low as well. So that's it. That is the inverted fair value gap model after taking liquidity, clean draw on liquidity, and we are done for the day. I believe we were done trading at like 9:50 today. So 20 minutes into market open, and I made $500 times 3 XFAs for $1,500 day on a Monday. If you guys are enjoying these type of reviews and content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.